Are you traveling this summer? Are you sure that you're really prepared to travel? Hi, everybody. I'm Elsa W. Smith, your Maryland estate planning attorney, and I'm the owner of the law offices of Elsa W. Smith, where our mission is to empower women through estate planning. I'm also the host of Women Winning Wednesdays, an educational live series on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Women Winning Wednesdays is a mix of guest interviews and educational segments like the one we had today. This week, we covered the topic of traveling this summer, what to know before you go. This video is going to give you a recap of the week's show. I shared 8 tips from an estate planner's perspective for those of you about to travel domestically or internationally. I'll mention 3 of them here. Number 1, organize your accounts and documents. This is a really important thing to do before you travel, and it'll make things much easier for your trustee or personal representative if you happen to pass away while you're on travel. You want to make a list of all your accounts, where they're located, and the usernames and passwords. Then review and update it before each trip. Print a hard copy in case your computer is stolen or crashes, and let someone you know, someone you trust, know where you can find it. Clean up your computer desktop and put your financial and other important files where someone can easily find them. Now, if you're like me, at times I've been guilty of having a cluttered desktop. So before you travel, if you're in a rush, just scoop all those things, all the documents into one folder and kind of keep it there in a holding pattern. But clearly mark a folder that has your important documents. So if someone needs to access your computer, they can do so and find the documents easily. Number 2, review and update your insurance. Now, check the amount of life insurance coverage and see if it still meets your family's needs. Consider getting long-term care insurance to help pay for the cost of long-term care in the event you or your spouse need it due to illness or an injury you experienced while on travel or on holiday. And then the 3rd tip, and this applies for folks traveling internationally. In addition to the estate planning tools that I cover in today's show, there's other paperwork you should make sure you have in order to travel smartly while doing so internationally. Here are a few. Have an updated vaccination record. Most people, if they have them, they can store it on their phone, as many things these days are stored in the cloud. Have a secondary photo ID in addition to your passport. Have proof of international health insurance. Have your child travel consent. That's if you're traveling with your child and you share joint custody, with another parent. And then lastly, your child's birth certificate, if you're traveling with your child, of course. I want to invite you to view the entire show on my YouTube channel at Elsa W. Smith Law. While you're there, click subscribe so you don't miss any of the content that we share weekly. Before I go, I also want to tell you about my free 21-point estate planning checklist. Go to elsawsmithlaw.com/checklist. elsawsmithlaw.com/checklist. It's free. It's a great resource to help get yourself organized, even before you make that call to an estate planner to help you get your affairs in order. Tune in to Women Winning Wednesdays next week at 1:30 p.m. live Eastern on Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. I'm Elsa W. Smith, your Maryland estate planning attorney, empowering women through estate planning. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, everybody.